Look at that. They did the whole truck for under 800 bucks. All the lettering. Unbelievable. Oh, flipping job. Beautiful job for the money. Look at that. $700 and something. I washed the truck good the other day. They even put the website on the front. Love this truck. Yeah, I'll leave a link for the company that did this. Signature Signs in Westport, Mass. Unbelievable. Price was crazy. Even added this. They added this. They added this. Done right the first time. No job too small. All the rest was on my truck. Really happy with it. Love this truck too. I gave it a good cleaning the other day. Looks like a mobile billboard, you know? Yeehaw! This is why I bought the truck right here. See this? That's why I bought the truck. It's a little higher than the other one. It's like 10 feet now, but if I put roof racks, it's going to be about 11. So. Look at that. $737. Flipping nuts. That's cheap money, man.